Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about two items in this video. First one being the new Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Concealer and Base. It is $21, but I have a discount code for you guys, which is CHEYMG. That saves you 30% off. You get 0.14 ounces of product in here, and the component looks like this. Mine has my fingerprints all over it, but of course it has like the standard gold packaging. When you open it, it has the little protector. Mine's stuck to the cap now. It has your product on the inside. I will try to go as close as I can without spilling it, because it is definitely a more liquidy product. Mine likes to stay pushed up against the side, so that's why it looks a bit empty, because it was leaning like this in my drawer. So definitely keep it upright like this if you want your product to stay like a certain level so it doesn't spill when you open it. And the thing about this is Jen did say she was bringing out more colors. She was just waiting to get everybody's thoughts and opinions on it, which is completely fine. I respect that about her. She's actually looking for opinions from deeper skin tones, and she talked about a white. This one is the medium one. Now, I'm pale, super pale, so this one concerned me at first because I was like, oh, do I get it? I didn't know because I didn't want it to be too dark. Now, you guys, if you haven't seen my e.l.f. video, please go watch it on the bite-sized eyeshadows. They have a putty eye primer that is around the same shade, but it is not as liquidy. That is what I expected the e.l.f. one to kind of feel like, but it didn't. So I really, really love this eye base right here. It definitely hides all the veins that you can see in my on my eyelid, by my brow bone and stuff like that. It definitely just makes everything look clean and just even, and I love that about it. I also love that it doesn't dry my eyelids. I have a really bad problem with products drying out my eyelids, and I hate that so much. It's the most annoying thing to me when I'm putting on an eye base and next thing you know, it's separating and my eyelids look so dry that when I go to put light shadows like this on, it doesn't look good because all you see is the dry and cakiness on my eyelid under the shadow. And yeah, that's just something I don't like. So the Gerard one definitely doesn't do that. And I did ask you guys on Instagram. Like I said, there's a whole highlight showing you guys up close and talking a little bit more about it. Jen also has a YouTube video about it, talking about it. I mean, for $21, I love this, and then you get 30% off with my code, which is code CHEYMG, and I will put it up here somewhere. I will also have it in the description. I will also have my affiliate link in the description too, taking you straight to the product. Just know that I do get a commission off of your purchase if you use my code or my link. So if you don't want to use that, do not feel obligated to do so. It's just there if you want it. Now, the next product that I'm going to be talking to you guys about, if I can get it out, is the new Trendy in Tokyo palette from Midas Cosmetics. Now, I'm trying not to make it reflect on the ring light for you guys, but this is the packaging, and the back is equally cute. There's a little kitty. How cute. When you open it, it does have a pretty good sized mirror. You guys can see my camera. Can you see me? Hi, I don't know. Try not to blind you, but the mirror is pretty good size. But what you're here for is this right here, and this is stunning. It comes with a lot of finishes, and I will be throwing swatches up of this in a minute. This is a 16 color shadow palette, so it has a lot of shimmers and a lot of bold, bright colors, and we are using both of these products because you guys wanted to see how the base would work with light products. On my highlight on Instagram, also my Instagram is at CHEYMG with an underscore. So just in case you wanted to go check that out, I did do a smoky eye look the same day that I got this, which was on Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to check that out, you can head over there and look at that. And of course, I will be using this so much more in videos if you're wanting to see more looks with this. But I did film a tutorial with this palette right here, so I am going to throw it up in just a second. So yeah, overall thoughts on this palette right here is I love it. The yellow, y'all. The yellow hits different. Now, if you guys know me, you know my favorite color is yellow, and it is so pretty, and the base did not take away from like the nice yellow at all. I did do the shimmer over top of the yellow to see if like the base may pull it up or anything like that, and it definitely didn't. So yeah, this palette right here is definitely worth it. It's $16 if I did not mention that, from BH Cosmetics. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop into the tutorial.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give.
Alrighty you guys, and I hope that showcased off both of these products very well so you can see how it works with really light colors. I think it brought out these colors so nicely. It looks the exact same as it would if I used like an all white base. I think that you really don't need a lot of this to go a long way. I really only dipped my brush in one time and it covered both eyes. I think it is light and fluid enough to build up a nice coverage and also cover both eyes without having to constantly dip in and keep building it up to get an even layer. So yeah, and I also got another new product that I'll be trying out soon. It is the LA Girl Glitter Holic. I don't know if you guys have ever seen these before, but I swatched this. It's like a pressed glitter topper and it is so pretty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to follow me over on my socials. My Instagram is at CHEYMG with an underscore underneath, and Twitter is exactly the same. Also, don't forget to follow me over on my TikTok, which is also at CHEYMG no underscore. I will also start linking that below in my socials. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.